We're on our way to the USF Bowl game.
Woo! Go Bulls!
Go Bulls! Woo! Mom got her Santa hat. Got some Steelers. Rocking that Steeler
Repping
hat.
the Steelers
Zach
at the Bulls game.
got on the
Only
hoodie.
one repping the Bulls, I think.
Let's go team.
Go Bulls.
How excited are you for this game?
I am so excited to see the Bulls crush Marshall.
Go Bulls! Look at our gear. Woo! We're rocking it. Go Bulls.
Bursting in air gave proof through the night.
We're at the Bulls game.
Woo! Oh, you can eat popcorn. Almost gone.
Bulls game.
Go Bulls!
Go Bulls! Go Bulls!
South Florida! South Florida! Go Bulls!
Joy Gale's here!
Who's Gale?
Gale forced wins!
It's windy today.
Oh, I feel some rain too.
Is it Gale?
Gale's bringing the rain.
And please welcome
It started raining.
Team Poncho!
We're ready for it.
Jaden Oliver from East Bay High School to the field for
Joe,
tonight's
Dad.
pass
Dad, you're Steelers. Go Steelers.
Doesn't matter.
We're in the rain. You're blocking it with your poncho. Is it on video?
Yes.
Okay. Zach.
Zach.
It's cold, wet, but we're here cheering
Gale
for the
is here,
Bulls.
and so are we.
medical consultants and their clients, delivering an industry-leading solution for
You can barely see it, but it is
superior service for delivery.
Go Bulls!
Touchdown!
U-T-A-F-L-O-R-I-D-A! South Florida! South Florida! Go Bulls! Well, we lost.
She was happy when Tom Brady got whooped.
Poor Bulls.
Tell the story.
Oh, I was just talking to a lady that works here at the stadium, and she saw Joy's hat, the Steelers. She was so happy. She said she was so happy when Tom Brady got whooped by the Steelers this past Sunday.
We like to whoop the Steelers, so we're leaving the
Whoop the
stadium.
Patriots. We are the Steelers.
Yes, we are the Steelers. That was a mistake, and the Bulls lost the game. So sad.
Next year, go Bulls. We won't give up. We might give up.
It's pretty late. We're gonna go home and go to sleep and get
Oh my
warm.
gosh.
Good night.
Mom.
We don't sleep on the way over.